He preached to the nations and died with a smile on his face. This is the story of Andrew, the brother of Peter. Andrew, once a fisherman, became the first disciple Jesus called. After the resurrection, he traveled far, preaching the gospel in places like Greece and Asia Minor. His message of repentance and salvation stirred hearts, but it also angered the powerful. In the city of Patras, around 60 AD, Andrew was arrested for converting people to Christ, including the governor's wife. As punishment, he was sentenced to death by crucifixion. But Andrew refused to be tied to a cross shaped like his Lord's. Instead, he chose an X-shaped cross, now known as St. Andrew's Cross. He hung there for 2 days, preaching to the crowd until his final breath. He didn't curse the cross, he welcomed it, because for Andrew, dying for Christ was his greatest victory. Share this if you'd stand for Jesus no matter the pain. And follow the Beatz breaker for more powerful Bible stories of faith.